Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so we will be doing that again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend for long, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, but it didn't go too far. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone. You can see it respected it around there, also respected it around there, and of course it's sold for a while. But if it breaks out below this support zone, this particular support zone, then definitely it will sell till it get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but if it does not break out below it, definitely it will go back on uptrend to try out this resistance zone, but at the moment it is still selling. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course it has been selling since then. Even though it is at a support zone, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but this is still selling at the moment, although it might not be for a very long time. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back on buy trend, so we should take note of that. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. And of course crash 1000 actually went on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it has got into this trend, broke out from this particular resistance zone, so it is still buying at the moment till it get to the next resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from the next resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend. We should take note of that also. Okay, so this is crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend from here, came to an end around there, but went back up, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, had a pullback and went back there again. So it is at that point again, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will buy more. If it does not, it will pull back again. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, we should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Volatility 75 started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a little pullback, but went back up to break out from there. So this is still buying at the moment. If it does not break out above that resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is buying, but not for a very long time, so we should take note of that also. Okay, so these are the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever, so that you can be able to have a successful trading journey whenever you are trading. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.